What's up YouTube, Frank from TGS Trades here, giving you a Hearthstone video. I'm going to switch it up for a little bit. I've got a co-star today, joined by...
Ashley.
Say hello, Ashley.
Hi.
Alright, so today we're just going to be doing some pack openings. We got 60 packs of Knights of the Frozen Throne here. This pack seems pretty cool. Let's just go right into it. I'm trying to get a Golden Uther.
Gold rare.
Alright, that card's awful, but it's golden. So, ooh, and another rare.
Rare.
Alright, I'll take that. Alright, no legendary yet.
Rare.
Alright, that card's pretty cool. My plan is wild. A rare.
Rare.
Oh, no, oh, missed out. Okay, 2 rares. That's pretty cool.
Rare.
Got a cute little worm over here. Oh, that's okay. 2 voodoo hexers. Too bad Free Shaman is awful. Rare. Oh, alright. Already got one. Oh, and an F. Oh, wow. Oh, Rattling Rascal. I wanted one of these.
Rare.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, legendary.
Uther! Okay,
Oh,
that's...
nice.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Alright. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys later. I guess that was it. That's all I needed. Just adjust everything else. There are other legendaries I want.
Rare.
Alright, that card's pretty cool. I actually want Ultimate Instant Infestations. Druid spell. I would like to not make that one. Ooh! What did you say about that, Ashley?
It's so cute.
If you guys haven't seen the golden version of this card, he's actually surfing through the... like, moving through the mountain. It's actually really cool.
Rare.
Yeah, bear shark. Literally a bear shark. Alright, let's do this before. I do not want the priest one. The archbishop. So don't do that.
Rare.
In my my pre-order packs, or at least I pulled 0 princes. So I have a high chance of getting them in these, unfortunately.
Rare.
Oh, 2 rares.
Rare.
This card has been proven to be amazing. I love this weapon. It's so good. I pulled one now, so I don't gotta play those commons. Alright.
Rare.
Alright, another Unwilling Sacrifice. I pulled almost every card I want from this set, so like, chances are most of this will be dust.
Rare.
I like that Siphon Soul card. Warlock Genetic Spell, pretty good. Play dead. It's got
Rare.
dead Dojo. That secret's awful. Oh. Let's see.
Rare.
Another Desperate Stand. Okay. I think we got our luck pretty early on. Oh, 2 epics. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon.
Golden
And a
common.
golden common. Now this card's awful, but it's still golden, so that's cool.
Epic.
There it is. Awesome. All right, so I got another card I wanted. That's so cool.
Golden epic.
Oh my God! Oh, no way!
Insane!
Thank you, Blizzard.
That
Oh
is
my God!
insane.
I will-
Oh my god!
I will never complain about Blizzard again. That's not true, but oh my God, that's awesome.
2 of the same and then 1 golden. Wow.
And they're epics. Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh, wow. Alright, that's awesome. I just scared. Actually, I'm scared right now. I'm sorry. I got so excited.
Rare.
Alright, so what am I looking for now? Oh, Frostlich Jaina. I don't have that one. Draw with your series? I would take draw.
Rare.
Another penguin. I need a golden penguin. I have one. Double rare. Take one with gold.
Rare. Rare.
Nope. easier to get golden cards in this set than previous ones. Not that I'm complaining though.
Rare.
Spreading plague.
Rare. Rare.
Double rare. Oh, cool. Doomed Apprentice. I like this card. Not that it's good. I just like it. After the packs we've had, probably gonna have a little more, and then gotta go back to normal. Ooh, epic, okay. I love epic, so I'll never complain about epic. That card's awful.
Epic.
Oh, I think I only had one of these, so that's kinda cool. Double Burlock, okay.
Rare.
Heavy Ghoul. I like that card actually. Like Warlock, you get Hero Power on turn 2, and turn 3 play Earthen Ring and get that for free. That's pretty good play.
Rare.
Alright.
Rare.
More doubles. That's fine, it's all gonna go into dust, so I'm just gonna make whatever I want. I need Arctics too, actually.
Rare.
Arrogant Crusader. Kind of a weird rare. Let's see.
Rare.
Probably gonna have a couple more normal packs. Still 35 though, so it can happen. There's still a chance at another legendary, so. Oh, epic. Hello.
Rare.
Okay.
Epic.
Oh. Well, at least I get to dust that one. Man, alright, but you gotta chill, I already got it. You're good. Don't need more of that card.
Cool.
Ooh.
Rare.
Golden Shadow Essence. I think I already had one actually, so that's pretty cool. Awesome.
Rare.
And oh my, stop giving me this card. It sucks. I'm not playing Free Shaman. Oh, I still also don't have a Murabi either, so I could also get one of those. I'd cry.
Rare.
Dude, I really do not want Free Shaman cards at all.
Rare.
Another Awful Secret.
Rare. Rare.
2 rares, that's okay. Ooh, oh, here we go.
Golden
Ooh,
coin.
there you go. That's kind of cool. Alright, never complain about gold cards.
Rare.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, legend.
Malfurion. Okay, that's not the Death Knight we wanted, but it is a Death Knight I didn't have. So, can't complain too much about it. Legendary is legendary. It's not a prince. I'm okay with it as long as it's not one of the princes. I want to get them absolutely last. I'm trying to get every card in the set, but I can wait in. Like, wait till I'm done with everything else.
Rare.
Oh, epic. Hello.
Rare.
Hit the golden.
Epic.
Nope. Simulacrum. Copy the lowest, turn into 100 dust. Got it. Bear Shark.
Rare.
I don't even know what this thing is. Druid of the Swarm. Irrelevant. Alright.
Rare.
I want one more legendary. Out of 23 packs. Epic, okay. I'll take epics too.
Rare. Epic.
Obsidian Statue. I don't think I had that one actually. As My collection, Epic I don't have to make for no reason. Because I wasn't going to make him, I didn't have to.
Rare.
I don't play Priest that much anyway. Paladin pack. Golden Arthas would be cool, but I can't get it. I can't pull one Golden Common. Because I already made an Arthas.
Rare.
Let's see.
Rare.
Oh, more happy ghouls. All the ghouls are happy with me. Double rare.
Rare. Rare.
More bad cards. There's still hope for another legendary.
Rare.
Hey, I already have that card. Alright.
Rare.
Oh. Just avalanche. Card's also bad. On 4 mana, you can just play J Lightning with better effect.
Rare.
Alright. Oh, did that in wrong order. My bad. Oh, okay, now we got 2 of these guys, okay. I guess one wasn't enough. Excuse me. Another avalanche, choking on my coffee. Let's see, golden legendary? No. Oh,
Rare.
golden rare. Ooh, golden happy ghoul. Okay.
Rare.
Roll the bones. I want another golden one of these. Let's see. Where's my last legendary?
Rare.
All the penguins. Let's. Oh, almost done. Wrong order.
Rare.
I just always assume it's a rare in every pack.
Epic.
Another fate spinner. Choose one. Craft it to 100 dust or craft it to 100 dust.
Rare.
This card's really good. Drawing cards. Pretty good apparently.
Rare.
Alright, Mind Breaker. Apex. Uh-oh, getting nervous.
Rare. Rare.
Got it wrong order. I don't care. I like that card a lot actually. Control Warlock is pretty decent.
Rare. Rare.
This card's terrible. Even if you silence it, there's started 4 drops of silence. A range release thing from Ungoro.
Rare.
All the spready flakes, none of them are golden.
Rare.
We even have the Frostborn card back on, and it's not helping right now. Just want one more legendary. If they can make it golden, that'd be great. Oh, stop giving me a Voodoo Hexer. I hate that card. Water Elemental's better. Double rare.
Rare. Rare.
More Unwilling Sacrifice, more low bets. Alright, last 2. Getting awfully close. Oh, epic.
Rare. Epic.
Treachery. Oh, cool. I didn't have that one, I think. Or if I did, I only have one. Pretty cool. Aw, no luck.
Rare.
Alright. Shadow Gravedigger. Worst 3-drop in the game. Alright, let's see how much dust I got, extra dust I got from that. 2,345. I can make a golden Arthas. Alright, but that's it for this video, guys. That was a pretty busted pack opening. Got 3 of the cards I actually just wanted. I can just make something else now. and one of them's golden. The golden ultimate infestation, so that's awesome. But make sure you check back regularly for more content. Links in the description to everything we do, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!